Hello everyone, today we finished a new design CNC aluminum profile machine. This machine is mainly used for like door, windows processing. It is good for cutting, milling, and drilling. And this is our overall structure. And you can see we use a very powerful spindle. It is a 5.5 kilowatts water cooling spindle. And this is the cylinder. It's used for to fix the materials on the table. Okay, next let's take a look how to operate our machine. You can see on our cabinet, controller cabinet, it has many buttons. This is emergency stop, power off, power on. Power on. This is for the long cylinder start, and this button is for the short cylinder start. After starting the machine and open the controller software, and you will see how all exercise back to home, then collect it. Then we put the materials on the table, and then to rotate the cylinder button to fix the materials. Okay, this is our direction button, and collect the button to find the origin of the workpiece. And let the tool stick to the surface of the workpiece. Then collect the XYZ to 0. Okay. Now let's import the file into the software. You can see our controller program, and then collect the oil mist cooling, and then start. This is tool sensor, and on the screen you will see the float tool sensor. Select it. This is used to assist in locating the Z-axis workpiece coordinate. The above is the operation process of our machine.